I hope everyone's Thanksgiving was wonderful and you're feeling guilty about how much you ate and drank. Because if you don't feel guilty after eating Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas dinner, you did it wrong. Do it again. But the best part about Thanksgiving, honestly, other than spending time with your loved ones, is the leftovers. And what better way to use leftovers than to make a fat man sandwich? We're gonna start with 2 heaping spoonfuls, about a quarter cup, of mayo. If you don't like mayo, skip it. And next up, a little bit of our hot sauce. This is this year's cranberry Fresno hot sauce for the holidays. Some leftover gravy and mix. Right, we have our sauce done. Next, we're gonna need, because I'm making 2 sandwiches, need 4 pieces. This is some nice whole grain fresh baked bread from a local bakery. Or you can use whatever bread you have left over or whatever bread you like. Cranberry sauce, stuffing, and of course, some leftover turkey. We're gonna take some chicken fat and spread it on our bread. It's gonna be delicious. Then we're gonna throw in the toaster oven, and get some nice golden brown color on it. All right, now that our butter is nice and melted, we'll start with our turkey. You can get some light color on it. A little black pepper, a little salt, perfect. Put the pan back on the stove. A little more butter. We're gonna let our butter brown just a little bit. Right, when we start to smell that nuttiness, we're gonna take our stuffing, pop that right in. All right, we're gonna turn the heat off the lid, let it sit in the pan for a second. Look how toasty that bread is with all that chicken fat. Let's build a sandwich. We'll start with our gravy mayo. A little bit on both sides. Just a little bit, that was way too much. Jeez. Oh yeah. Some cranberry. Oh yeah. If you want the recipe for this, it is down in the description or in your upper right-hand corner. Right now. Next, we've got our stuffing. And our turkey. Ready for the cross section? Oh. And they are the Thanksgiving leftover sandwich. The hunch, make sure you don't get on the apron. So if you need enough Thanksgiving, you have a second chance. If you need recipes for cranberry sauce or my stuffing, it's in the description below. So good. And what would go really great with our Thanksgiving leftover sandwich is a cocktail. This is my pumpkin spice old fashioned. Just the perfect amount of spice and bite for the holidays. Happy holidays, everyone. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share it. It really helps the channel. And until next time, shut up and eat.